Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review and breakdown analysis about these two SEO tools platforms to help you decide which of these platforms would be a better option for you in 2025. So to get started with the review about Content Raptor and Ubersuggest. So to get started, Content Raptor is a focused AI-powered SEO tools designed to help users optimize their writing content. It offers real-time SEO scoring, keyword suggestions, and integrate easily with WordPress and Google Search Console. And at a fitness at $47 per month, which is the pricing, it's ideal for bloggers, content marketers, and small businesses looking to improve one-page SEO without the clutter of extra features. Its simplicity and targeted tools make it a great choice for those who mainly work on content improvement. Now, talking about Ubersuggest, on the other hand, is a broader SEO platform created by Neil Patel. It includes keyword research, site audit, backlinking tracking, and competitive analysis at the lower price point, starting around $12 to $20 per month, while it packed with features. Users have noted that its keyword data can be less accurate compared to other tools. Still, for beginners or small team wanting all-in-one SEO tools on a budget, Ubersuggest is a strong option for you, and that's it. So tell me in the comment section what you think about this review, and if you find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.